Hi everyone, in this video, I'm going to show you what to do if your MacBook freezes. So if you want to cause out of a program similar to on Windows, how you press Control, Alt the Delete. So for MacBook, what do you want to do is hold down an option, Command and Escape. Now when you do that, you're going to have this dialog box come up. So I'm going to pick Filmora, and then in the bottom right, just click on Force Quit, and again, just confirm it. And you guys saw that Filmora closed out. If that does not work and your computer's still frozen, then hold down the power for about 5 seconds just to turn it off. But keep in mind, if you do this, you're going to lose any unsafe progress. Thanks for watching, and we made comments both. You have any questions?